Thank you very much for having me. My name is Walid Gomaa. I am the CEO of Omnix International. I'm very much interested in my role to introduce innovation and solution offering to our customers and also enhance our service capabilities within Omnix to cater for the customer challenges. Yeah, so HOT system has been with us from Omnix for quite some time, and it came based on our heritage of the engineering solutions, which we understand that the issues and challenges that are facing our customers when it comes to usability of things like BIM software, Revit, and rendering software. All these were coming with issues of performance. So what we decided to do is to cater for these challenges is to design a optimized hardware to cater for these challenges, meaning that I understand how these software work, and at the end, I'll be able to give them a solution that will accelerate at least by 30 to 35% performance. The good news is because we understand the different types of workflows that are coming in the system, we are optimizing our hardware performance to cater for each workflow. So we don't have one size fits all. Actually, we are very much doing R&D for each type of workload and making sure that each workflow, we understand it and we optimize the hardware accordingly. And now we're expanding our reach. So we started in the UAE, but now we're covering it in GCC. But as well, now we managed to get a couple of deals in Asia Pacific, and we are increasing also our footprint in Asia Pacific by having partnerships with entities in Asia Pacific that can represent Omnix and sell HOT systems in these territories. The good news is that we have our R&D team that cater for different use cases for different industries and different customers. So as an example, it all started for the engineering, right? So we are catering for use cases that are related to rendering, visualization, Revit, BIM. So these were the traditional workloads that we started with. However, as we evolve in terms of the R&D, now everyone is talking about AI. So how we can support the AI workload and workflows. So our R&D team came up with the optimized workflow for the different types of AI use cases. So like the generative AI, like the analytics AI. And the main reason is how can we run this on a local machine, right? So which is very important as you compare to how you can use AI for, cloud-based or whatever. Sometimes our customers are either not big enough, right, that they have to go for cloud, or they want to implement something that is very controlled in their premise. So in that case, we are catering for on-prem units that are specifically for AI. So now we moved from, we added, of course, because we kept the same solution. We are moving to introduce different types of AI capabilities, and our machine, HOT, can come in different flavors. So it can come in desktop and it can come in laptop as well. And we added to this the liquid cooling. So in that case, also we cater for the high performance that can come with some heats, but we're also absorbing that and making sure that this is being taken care of with the liquid cooling systems. And of course, we keep adding more workloads because our R&D is a continuous process. So I would say I would put it in two areas. One is HOT is an enabler for all these technologies, right? So because when you talk about visualization, rendering, and AI, you need an enabling hardware that is performing well for these type of workloads. So this is on the HOT system. On the digital twin is we are building our platforms based on our capabilities. So we have consulting capabilities. So we can help customers to advise them how to start engaging in a digital twin, let's say, initiative. So we can give them the consultation, how to start, where to start, what will be the best use cases that you can start with digital twin. Then we take this into implementation. When we take it to implementation, we provide the different types of services for implementation of a full digital twin solutions, right? All the way from reality capture to visualization, to the IoT devices, to the analytic part, to the integration with backend systems. And this is what we call it the platform. So we're wrapping digital twin with our service capability and consulting capability to help customer, to accelerate the deployment of a digital twin solution. I mean, when we talk about the, it's about value proposition. When you do a value proposition, you need to make sure that from Omnix, we always look for the unique value proposition. How can we give a unique value proposition from Omnix to cater for the customer challenges? Now, of course, when you do that, then you can add different types of components. So as I said, we can add consulting, you can add services, you can add integration services, you can add implementation services, you can add visualization services. Now, not necessarily that you add the price point, but to be able to provide a complete offering, right, that is benefiting the customer, but at the same time shows the unique value proposition of Omnix that we can cater for all these needs.